Looking to make money online, but not sure where to start? Whether you're a complete beginner or just ready to level up, I'm here to show you simple, effective ways to earn from the comfort of your home. Ready to turn your screen time into cash? Let's dive in. I know it can feel overwhelming with all the information out there. So today, I'm going to break it down and give you some proven ways that actually work. Whether you're looking to make some side cash or start your own online business, this video is for you. Let's face it, making money online sounds great, but where do you even start? You've probably Googled it, watched YouTube videos about it, heard a million different ways to get started, but honestly, where do you begin? None of it feels clear. You might feel like there are too many options and you just don't know which one is right for you. You're unsure which one is worth your time. Maybe you've even tried some things before, selling things online, affiliate marketing, or even taking surveys. But you just haven't seen any significant results. It's frustrating, I know. So what's the real problem? The problem isn't that there aren't ways to make money online. It's that without a clear, actionable plan, it's easy to get stuck doing things that don't work. Or worse, just feel overwhelming and make us want to give up. If you've tried any of the above things that I've mentioned, type "tried that" in the comments. I was once in your shoes. A few months ago, I had no idea how to get started with making money online. I spent hours looking for the perfect side hustle. I tried lots of things that never worked out, from affiliate marketing to selling things online. Nothing seemed to work for me. I was overwhelmed, confused, and frustrated. And it wasn't until I started focusing on the right approach with simple, consistent steps that I started to see progress. And now I want to share my journey with you so you don't need to waste your time like I did. So now that we've set the stage, let's talk about some real, actionable strategies that you can begin to work on. You could start these today to begin your journey to making money online. These are simple, proven methods that don't require any special skills or huge amounts of money. Let's break it down. Option 1, freelancing. The first method is freelancing. If you have a skill such as graphics, writing, or even basic administrative tasks, you can start offering your services online. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr allow you to connect with customers needing your skill set. I have a friend who started freelancing on Fiverr, offering content creation and social media marketing help. Within a few weeks, she was landing customers and making money from home. The best part? She sets her own rates and decides when she wants to work. She sets her own hours. Type freelancing in the comments if this sounds like a good fit for you. Option 2, online courses or ebooks. Next up, creating online courses or ebooks. If you're an expert in your niche or have a lot of information in a certain area, this can be a great way to generate passive income. For example, another friend of mine created a mini course on content creation, and it has been a great source of passive income for him. Once your content is up, people can buy it 24/7. Even while you're sleeping. Type online courses in the comments if this sounds like something right up your alley. Option 3, affiliate marketing. Another method that can generate income is affiliate marketing. This is where you promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale that you make using your product link. I've used affiliate marketing to promote the tools and software that I love, like content creation apps or business tools. It's a great way to earn passive income without needing your own product to sell. Type affiliate marketing in the comments if this sounds like one that you would like to try. Option 4, YouTube channel or content creation. Finally, content creation can be one of the most rewarding ways to earn money online. Whether it's through YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, if you enjoy creating content, you can monetize it through ads, sponsorships, or even selling your own products. It took a while to grow, but my YouTube channel has turned into a profitable passive income for me. And it all started by me simply sharing the things I knew. Type YouTube in the comments if this is sounding like this would be perfect for you. So there you have it, 4 simple and effective ways to make money online. Whether you're freelancing, creating content, affiliate marketing, or sharing your own knowledge, there's a path for you. If you're ready to take the next step, here's your challenge. Pick one method, stick with it, and start today. Drop a comment below and let me know which one you think you are going to get started with. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you can hear more tips on how to make money, grow your business, and live your best life. I'll be sharing deeper insights and guides on each of these methods in future videos, so stay tuned. Remember, making money online is a marathon, not a sprint. But with the right mindset and strategy, you can absolutely make it happen for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.